What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Full Send SRT. My name is Caden, and today we're going to be discussing some secret and hidden features and also some things that you just need to know about your Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT or Jeep Grand Cherokee. Stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys some features on your Jeep Grand Cherokee that you might not already know about. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get into the things that you need to know about your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's go. Okay, so first off, the first thing you need to know about your Jeep Grand Cherokee if the battery dies is you can actually take this key out of the key, put it into the lock, open it, but that's not the secret feature that we're going to be talking about. Everyone knows that feature. To actually start the vehicle, if the battery is dead, you actually take the physical key itself, put your foot on the brake, and actually press the key into the start button, and it'll start right up. When I first saw this feature in a YouTube video, I actually didn't think it would work. I didn't actually know there was a mechanism in the key that will actually start the vehicle if the battery is dead. But you learn as you go. That technology is really cool in all the Jeep Grand Cherokees. It's something I would have never known if I never was told about it. I don't think this is really common knowledge, but here you go. I hope it can help you. But for the second hidden feature on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, kind of hidden, kind of not. It could be basic knowledge. All you do is you actually pull up this back compartment. You can actually, where is it? Right here. You can hook this to the top so that it stays open so it doesn't hit your head, but that's not the feature. Here we actually have a nozzle, a funnel for the gas cap in case you need to fill your vehicle with an actual gas can in case you run out of gas. Check it out. I'll show you exactly how it works. So we open up at the door. Press the gas cap right here. It should open right up. Sorry, I'm slipping on ice here. It's super icy. I live in Canada, by the way. You just push this in there, and there you go. It makes it so much more easier to fill up your vehicle if you are using a gas can. I really love that they thought about this, but that I guess is Jeep. Jeep always comes up with the best ideas for literally everything. So there's a cool thing that I actually didn't know about till just the other week. Now, obviously you have your spare tire in the back here, but you also have some wrenches and you have a jack and you have some different tools in your Grand Cherokee in the back of the vehicle. Obviously I am still in the trunk area, but it's really convenient. I actually had someone try to steal my tires once, surprisingly, and they broke off 3 of the lug nuts, and the remaining 3 lug nuts were actually loose. I could have undone the rest with my hand itself. So I was really lucky that this wrench was included in the SRT so that I could tighten them back up, because my wheel almost fell off. So yeah, you got your jack, you got your little funnel here, you got some, what is this here? I don't know what that is. I'll check that out later. But yeah, let's throw this right back here. I think it goes there. No, where does it go? Right here. There we go. No, okay, right. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna put it right there, and then you close the trunk like that. Now let's hop back into our Grand Cherokee here, and I'm gonna show you a really cool feature that you can actually mess with in the infotainment system to do with the park settings, because some of you might get annoyed by that beeping. It's a good feature, but I guess some people are annoyed with it. So let's get this bad boy started right up. We're gonna go into apps, then we're gonna head into settings, then we'll hit safety and driving assistance, and you can see we have all the options right here. This isn't so much a hidden feature, but it's just something that the average Grand Cherokee owner may not know about. So this is exactly where you can play with all your settings for the vehicle. So here you can set all of these features: your forward collision sensitivity, lane sense, warning and strength, and your park sense. You can also scroll down, and there's a lot of different options and features here. Now, another really cool feature, if you have the upgraded speaker, the Harman Kardon speakers, is you can actually go into your infotainment system. You can find the audio settings right here. Then you can actually set where you want the sound to come out from. So you can either have it in the front passenger. So you can either have it oh Lord. Anyways, you can go to the equalizer. These are the settings that I like to keep my vehicle on. It's pretty basic. It can get a little bit too much sometimes, but you can always play with it here. And then you have a bunch of different options. Another really cool feature is the speed adjusted volume. So as the road noise gets louder as you speeden up, the sound will adjust with it and actually rise or lower depending on how fast you are going. This feature is coming more and more prevalent in newer models of vehicles. So it's not really getting that special anymore, but I'm really glad that this vehicle has it. Now for our final hidden feature on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, we're gonna head to the back and under the seat because there's something that you probably don't know about. Let's take a look. Okay, so for this final feature, we're gonna have to hop out of the vehicle. We're gonna have to put my front seat fully forward, which might take a little bit. Just bear with me here. You can check out the Air Force Ones. They're pretty nice, pretty clean. Got my sold signs. I am a real estate agent, if you didn't know. And I'm also a cowboy. Just kidding. Okay, so if you lift up the mat here and you actually flip this up, there's a hidden storage compartment that you can fit literally almost anything small to medium size in the back. I know there's some wires back there, but it's on the other side as well. And it's a really good secret storage area, but remember, I don't condone anything illegal being put in these compartments. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If I helped you learn something new about your Grand Cherokee, or you just enjoyed the video and you guys like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Like I said in my previous video, I got a super cool vehicle coming for you guys, but unfortunately the SRT is about to go away. I've loved it for the past 3 years. It's been the absolute best vehicle I've ever owned, but I have something really cool coming for you guys, so hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content and want to see more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.